Hey guys, coming at you from our new workbench.
Well, same workbench. New filming area.
Yeah.
In the garage.
We are making progress.
Yeah, the pile is now spread out throughout the whole garage.
Yeah, the pile used to just be all right here.
Yep, starting
and now
about
it's
here.
Spread to new spaces.
Yep.
Now, is it at all functional yet? No.
Not really.
We don't really have a single tool set up yet or plugged in.
And there's a lot still in boxes.
Yeah. But we do have our workbench in the place where I think it might stay.
Yeah.
Which is like one of the most important things.
Yeah. But it feels good to be scooting stuff around and getting things started.
Yeah, and we're even like working on the next level things right now. You might notice right over there's a hole in our wall. Mm-hmm. So we have some electrical work in progress for the AC, which is going to go right there, I believe.
Yeah.
Which is going to be really nice because we've been kind of working out here. We've only been working out here one day without AC, but it's already like...
It's so sweaty.
I can't do this again.
Yeah.
No, it's
getting
not
flashbacks.
It's not a long-term real possibility for us.
No, AC is a necessity.
AC is a necessity. We
here.
spend so much time out here.
And we can't have fans on because we're filming, so.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
But like, it is really nice. Like, I'm really starting to feel like how much space we have in here. Mm-hmm. It's also filling up pretty fast.
Yeah.
But I think it's because like, there's a lot of things like just in piles, all 3 of the big cabinets are empty. You know, those 4 little cabinets are empty.
Yeah.
So we have a lot that we can put away. Mm-hmm. And some things are temporary, like we're upgrading our ladder stairs to some stronger aluminum ones, because the ones that we have right now are a little bit like wobbly for me. Like, because the ceilings are tall here, which is great. But then like ladders are a little bit like, whoa!
Yeah.
It's not my ideal.
Yeah.
And
think of what else.
So the first like video we're filming here, like fresh, is probably going to be setting up the garage, titled something like from an empty garage to a fully functioning workshop, or something to that.
Now, will that be the first video that goes live? I don't know. I mean, the next video.
It might be.
The next video going live is moving vlog part 2, but will this be the first project video filmed here? We don't know. Depends on how much work it is.
Yeah, yeah. Like if we can like get to like a win point in a reasonable amount of time, this will probably be the first video. That'll probably be the first video we do here. It would be nice. It would be nice, because also like it also make the first project video we film here
easier to do because the garage will be unpacked.
Easier and better.
It's an interesting like conundrum because, you know, a small woodworking project. Are you handing this to me? Okay. Yeah. A small woodworking project would be a much faster project to complete than fully setting up this workshop the way that we want it. But if we keep going down the path of setting up the workshop, which setting up the workshop makes filming the next project easier, but if we keep on going down this path, we might run out of time and then we can't switch to the easier project. You know what I mean?
Well, yeah, and also I think that for the workshop video, we want to have at least one build.
Yeah,
you know, and
we don't just want it to be like unpacking our stuff.
Yeah, and it'd be really great if we had 240 power and our more powerful table saw set up, because I think we want to do French cleats, and French cleats would be really good if we had a nice, big, powerful, steady table saw.
Yeah, that's a good point. So we might not be able to do this project. We don't actually have our old table saw. We gave it to your brother.
Yeah.
So like we don't have a table saw right now.
But also I wouldn't really want to do like 8-foot long French cleats
with
our like old table saw with no in-feed, out-feed.
But that might be a determining factor of whether or not we can do this as the first project.
Yeah. So I was going to email today.
Yeah.
Like see if we can get that like expedited. Yes, there's a lot going on, a lot like juggled up in the air.
Yeah.
We're also like, we've also been doing, you know, I've been putting in a lot of time and research into like before we just go with the default solutions that we had last time in terms of filming gear, lighting gear, and stuff like that. Like, let's do a little bit of research and like see if we were starting from scratch, which we kind of are, like if we were to do everything over again, how would we do it differently? Would we use different lights, different diffusers, different,
There it is.
yeah, so like this diffuser right here is an example. Instead of the spot, like diffuse spotlight, this is
turn it
like
off?
kind of a little bit like a, you know, the like
little paper lanterns.
paper lanterns, and it just diffuses it in a much broader area. So like a few of these diffuse the light better than like soft boxes.
Yeah, so it's
you
been
know?
a lot of like camera and lighting research as well as we get set up.
Yeah.
I don't know about you though, I'm starting to get sweaty
Yeah.
already.
I'll hold this.
I feel like it's heavy. It's not a normal
you
selfie
brace it
stick.
on your hip?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. My hip is just lower than yours, so it winds up being lower.
Yeah, if you hold up here, like kind of at the balance point.
Yeah, but if I hold here at the balance point, then I can't get your head in. And also it's heavy. I'm just gonna brace it on my belly actually is where I
Tall
brace
person, short person problem. You're not short. You're energy efficient size.
No, I'm normal size. I'm a normal sized human. I'm not a small person.
Anything else we want to share on the garage setup? I think that we covered most of it.
Yeah, so far
and
we
so-
haven't found any damage to the epoxy floors. Although, did we tell you guys about that? I'm not sure where we've told things. You'll hear about it in the moving vlog part
Yeah,
two.
yeah. You'll hear about it in the moving blog part 2.
But yeah, I think that's about it.
It's really exciting to get to this point and you know, start moving on this. Because like I've definitely felt a little bit of anxiety about like not filming, not doing anything out in our workshop. And the biggest barrier has been AC. That's coming soon.
And we just decided to get started anyway.
Yeah. All right, guys. Hope you're having a great day. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.